Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you wanted to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you got to do is use the links in the description if you want to get any of this stuff for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. I wanted to show you a video on how to make the best vegan cheese fries in the world. And these are really amazing. I got this tray on Amazon, aluminum tray with a stainless steel top. The tray itself is actually raised off the top. It gives airflow underneath, which is really great. I've tried making fries and other stuff in the oven before, and what happens is if you just put it on a flat tray, it basically cooks everything on top really well, but it doesn't cook everything underneath. So this is cool because it lets the heat get underneath, it cooks everything evenly, and this is really easy to clean up. I just made some fries before, so I apologize, it's a little bit messy. I got some crumbs from the other fries. Just take this, make sure you wash it off and clean it, and put the fries on top. You don't have to put any kind of oil or nothing so it doesn't stick, nothing like that. Just put everything on, cooks it great, and when it's done, it's done. I personally like using these Smart Classics crinkle cut, and they're really great because they're non-GMO, non-genetically modified. Here's the tray, it's an entire bag, that's what it looks like, and I'm gonna throw this in the oven. Okay, so now that the fries are done and they're nice and crispy, we are ready to put on some cheese. But before we do that, you wanna take this and put this onto some baking sheets. These are the cheeses that we're gonna be using. These are both vegan cheese, not made from dairy whatsoever. We have Daya mozzarella shreds and Daya cheddar shreds. And when you see how these things turn out, I'm telling you, they look just like real cheddar and mozzarella. They're unbelievable and they taste so good. Took all the fries off and I put them on a baking sheet so it's not gonna stick to the metal. I'm gonna put the cheese on the fries and put it back in the oven. Well, here is what it looks like. I took the shredded cheese and I put it all over the fries, and I'm gonna put these in the oven and show you how it looks when they come out. Okay, so here they are. Everything is done and we now have vegan cheese fries. So these things are really nice and crispy, no oil or no grease because we haven't cooked them in any kind of oil or grease or anything. They're not deep fried, they're baked. And then we also have the vegan cheese from Daya that I showed you before. And let me tell you, these things are out of this world. Now, as you can see, the cheese will all melt and go together. I like it a little bit less cooked than this, so I'm good with this, but if you leave it in longer, it'll all melt and look just like cheese and kind of look like that. And let me tell you, these things are amazing. So let me get a piece up here that's kind of stuck to all the other pieces so you can see what the cheese looks like when it pulls apart. Just like regular cheese, it does pull apart and melt, and it is stringy. So thanks for watching this video. I really hope it helped you out. I'm going to leave some links in the description for the pan and some of the other stuff if you need it. If you can, make sure to click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the section down below. Thanks again for watching. Take care.